western bay, and it serves 100 ships a day. Lonely sailors pass the time away and talk about their homes. And there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brandy, fetch another round, and she serves them whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brandy, gonna find me a fine, what a good wife you would be. Such a fine eyes can steal a sailor from the sea. Brandy wears a braided chain.
Come on. Come on, this way, my river lilies. Come on.
Where are you taking me?
Come on. Look. Look.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I was afraid it wouldn't take to the soil, but it rooted quickly. And soon, it'll be everywhere, all across the universe.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, but I like the way you say it.
My heart is yours, Meredith Quill.
I can't believe I fell in love with a spaceman.
Brandy used to watch his eyes.